gentlemen, welcome back on my channel Crypto Victoria. I hope you are doing very well. Here is another exciting, amazing review for my dear viewers, for my audience. So you have to stay tuned with me till last of the video. Here I will explain you each and everything about this awesome platform, guys. And here's I tell you each and everything how you can join and what is basically our socials. And we are listed on four famous exchanges. So I have to say that if you are new on my channel, Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know that Victoria always come with an amazing and new platform in the world of cryptocurrency. So guys, I have to give you a short review of this current review of our markets. And yes, here is the very good news for the traders because today I am giving the review of this platform where you can trade, and this is only for the traders and not only for the others. Traders also can join, also can trade here like future trading, copy trading. So, going to further scenario, I have to say that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys. I'm not responsible for your any profit and loss. So you can see that here is the current altcoins on my screen. You can here check market review like the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ether, or in which currency you have to trade. You have to join like. I have to check Ethereum price here. You can see that current price and today chart of Ethereum on today market value. So here I have to say welcome this amazing, very beautiful profile of all. Here you can see that this is I am talking about an AI expert platform, that is I am talking about Albert Einstein, that is listed on four meme coin platforms. And here you can check out our features, our staking, and this is very amazing platform, guys. And you have to stay tuned with me. And I have also placed all of their links in my video description, guys. You can simply click and you can join. This is the AI powered crypto intelligence platform, guys. And as I tell you in start of the video, you can trade here. This is a very trading platform for you, and this is a professional grade cryptocurrency analysis that is powered by advanced neural networks and real time market intelligence, very level of trading insight here. And here I will tell you about our all of the socials. Like here we talk about our telegram community. This is our telegram community where you have to join for our further updates, news announcement. This is the our official platform where you have to join. This is our official channel of Albert Einstein AI, and here is our boot also where you can check in telegram account, and where you can play these. And guys, now I talk about our Twitter official account where you have to follow, like, comment, retweet. You have to join for insights, for updates about Alberta. And we are basically on BNB pool, guys, and we are now live. And here is a very clean start with BNB liquidity. And we have to do very fair, valid distributions, no manipulations, totally organic growth of this platform. And you can see that we are also always looking for an organic platform. So this is, and you can see that here is all of our announcements about our platform, like we are live on pancake swap, and you can see that we have listed. And now, yeah, I want to show you our listing on PancakeSwap. Here you have to simply connect your wallet like MetaMask Trust, Ox Wallet, or Binance, and you have to put some BNB. Then you can swap this amazing, awesome platform, guys. And here is our coin market cap review. You can see our current price. About that is you can see on my screen, and here you can buy very easily. So here is our total market cap, our total liquidity, our total 24-hour volume. Here you can see that. And about our transaction history, here you can see that these are our holders that have joined our platform. They are trading on here. So you can also join here. And now, as I tell you that we have listed on all of the four meme coins, this is our official contract address. You can see on my screen. I have also placed in my video description where you can copy. And as I tell you, this is a very neural network we are processing. And here you can also analyze BTC for our charts with all of their signals. And you can also check out current market sentiment for Ethereum. What is here? You can also check out analyze for all of the exchanges like Sol, Ethereum, BTC, TRX, XRP, Dogecoin, AVX. It's on to you. Here you can also analyze all of the real time here. So how you have to join? Here you have to simply connect your wallet, which wallet you have some payment, and you have to just collect, connect your wallet. You have to put your password. After that you have to select your currency. Like as I tell you, we are on BNB chain, smart chain. And after doing this, this is very easy and very simple, guys. And you can see that my wallet is connected now, and here now you can buy and now you can stake here. So stay tuned with us. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you.